Having trouble opening BleachBit on your Windows computer. If the application won't launch, crashes immediately, or doesn't respond when you click it, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several practical fixes that can help get BleachBit working again. Let's get started. First, restart your computer. You know, temporary Windows processes, or background services, can sometimes prevent applications from launching correctly. After your PC restarts, try opening BleachBit again before moving on to the next step. Next, right-click the BleachBit shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control window appears, click Yes. If the issue is related to permissions, this may allow the application to start normally. Now make sure both Windows and BleachBit are up to date. Installing the latest updates can fix compatibility problems and known software bugs. If BleachBit still won't open, download the newest version from the official website and replace the existing installation. If the problem continues, uninstall BleachBit from Settings, restart your computer, and then install a fresh copy. Reinstalling replaces damaged or missing program files that could be preventing the application from launching. Finally, open Windows Security or your antivirus software and review any recent notifications. In rare cases, security software may prevent an application from running. If BleachBit has been blocked by mistake and you're using the official version, allow it and try opening the app again. And that's how to fix BleachBit not opening. Restarting your computer, running the app as an administrator, updating Windows and BleachBit, reinstalling the application, and checking your security software will resolve most launch issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.